3.
Do I do a standard? I think I just like walk, right? I don't remember how to do the pocket rollout.
Yeah, you just walk. Most of the time.
Oh, demo took 100. I got 3 hits.
Yeah.
Darn.
Soldier's in. I'm dead.
We lost 2.
The control point is being captured. We have lost control point.
I'm gonna try to stack
Demo's
once
far
our other
forward.
soldier is up.
He have 80.
Yeah, we're equal, right?
Yeah. Good 90.
Demo's in shack.
Our shack?
Yeah, our shack.
Right. Let's all
Never
go
mind.
right.
Yeah.
Let's all go right.
There's a sticky trap on rock. Careful, Moy. Take it wide.
Oh, I got 3 hits. Deaded, he deaded.
Oh my god, that was a horrible
Demo's
bomb.
hurt behind her shack near the pillar.
Soldier on me.
Demo's
used.
dead.
Now dead.
Yeah, they used 2.
Chasing soldier.
Scouts on me.
I'm saving. Only 2.
Cap.
Their scout's
Yeah.
still in you.
Damn.
know?
660.
Took 50.
All right, everybody come up here along this edge here, and we're gonna get in their face when they start coming.
Oh, bro,
One
this
scout
guy
up
is
there.
so lucky.
You stay up there. You tell us what.
Oh, we're being chased. There's a dog
Behind you,
behind
Moy.
you. Soldier on me.
There's scouts on you, so
Damn.
might as well go for a medic pick at this point, you.
Yeah,
That's what I'm gonna try to do. Yeah.
that's the problem with not being able to do a map review. We just come into this block.
Yo, I was kind of close to that medic.
Control point.
Our soldier's just
Yeah.
bombing me, bro.
We have the disadvantage.
Nah, you do not get out there.
He's dead. He's
No.
dead. All right, let's start edging. Bullying him.
I ate a pipe.
He gets the pack here.
They're pushing.
100.
Oh,
I died.
Demo's dead.
Bomber behind.
Behind.
He's dead.
3v3. No, 2v3.
I'm dead.
Cool. See if you can cap.
He's 50.
Yeah. I hit him 40.
What was it? Scout left?
Yeah, it's just a scout. But they're gonna be getting more spawners here.
Mission ends in 60 seconds.
You have 30 ad. I took a pipe.
Demo's in on shack.
They're all coming left. I'm dead. Soldier bomb.
Okay, I died. Behind.
I died.
They are so like
We have
they
lost
feed,
control point.
but we don't catch them out.
I'm on spy.
Okay.
Okay.
Just proud. We don't have long. 30 seconds. We're gonna have to dry push this. Demo took 100.
Ends in 30 seconds.
Med took 80.
He's dead.
Nice. Soldier at the... Ah, there are people behind us.
I'm dead. Scout's in shack. He's 44. They're shack. Demo's Valley.
In 10 seconds.
Oh my god, my rollout is so scuffed.
4, 3,
Do or die. Do or do it.
1. Overtime.
Get on point. Bum rush.
Scout's 30.
Damn.
Dead.
We need to synchronize our double bombs, and we need to do more forward stacks.
They're taking a lot of spam on me.
Scout took 100.
Soldier on the left.
Well, you walk over
Yeah.
stickies.
Scout, soldier.
Almost destroyed.
Air with scout behind.
Taking a lot of spam.
Demo took
Secure
40.
the control point.
They're pushing Valley. I'm gonna flank them behind. Demo's dead.
Not dead.
Nice.
Okay, they're gonna.
They're gonna stack for our medic. Yeah,
gonna be
Scout's
four
already
man.
in check.
Soldiers in.
Bomb.
Those soldiers in. I used. I'm at 12.
Get the pack in here. This is where you need to hang, right in here.
Oh no, you know. Run, you know, run. No! I'll try to get you out.
Heals in our. Heals are in our.
Scout's
House.
70.
Yep, I'm coming from behind.
Medic! Doc, come on, man!
Almost.
Alert. The control point is being captured.
Done.
5v5 right now.
Dead.
Soldier on me in our house.
I'm dead.
Help him, Ed.
I
I
tried.
died.
Oh, med hit 70. Dude, what? Please, yes! Got him.
Yeah, thanks.
Someone look great. Chips
35
at some
ad.
point.
Hold on, Bob.
Soldier's in.
Hit us.
He said it's 30.
Heals
dead.
are in our house.
Medic!
I died. That scout's 20. Nope.
Almost ready.
Logan took 50.
Scout took 50.
$100.
They're near Valley right now.
Alright, I think he kind of went the wrong way.
Got on point.
70 done.
Dead.
There's cap.
Soldier jumped on their shed. Roof up.
Soldier dead.
There's a. They have a demo
Demo on a roof.
on our roof.
Alert. The control point is being contested.
He's dead.
I'm gonna use it.
Got hit
I'm
100.
gonna save. Gonna save. I'm playing passive on point.
Okay.
Thanks, Doc.
Buff. Dude.
Wolf.
Soldier high bomb.
Armor.
Dead.
Demo was in main.
Scout.
Heals our left side.
Soldiers on the roof.
Mission ends in 60 seconds.
Come on, move it
Yeah,
up!
their Scout's
They used-
dead.
You have 85. Soldier on me.
Scout dead.
I'm using. I don't want to die here.
They're out.
Mission ends in 30 seconds.
They have a sniper. Don't go forward.
Okay.
He was in U.
Soldier. Down.
Heals are on point. Soldier
Medicine
right
super
side.
far
Soldier on me.
Mission ends.
Medicine gonna be in their shack. Oh, he's behind shack.
I'm weak.
All we gotta do is cap and win. We have a good time.
Control point.
Yeah,
Time.
40.
Cap and win. Cap and win. Who's advantage?
Demo dead.
Yeah.
Nice. That's a good pick.
Yes.
We might be able to dry push.
You have 60.
Let's start walking in and see if we can dry push it.
They're all hit like 70.
Scouts took 100 each. One dead. Medic dead.
How you like now, walking?
1 sec.
Soldier is
Soldier
in.
dead.
Who's in? The,
Victory.
Nice.
Move it up.
I don't know how to do this, so if I can.
Yeah, again, we have no experience with this map.
Soldier behind.
Dead?
Skeleton on point.
Demo's on the roof.
I distracted behind, two came behind.
I'm under medic and shed. Please help me in shed.
Nice job.
Demo on the. Soldier jumped. He's in.
Took 80.
Scout's behind.
Armor. Soldier on the roof. Ah, damn it. I died.
He's dead. They have ad.
Yeah. We'll be at 50 disad.
I hear heavy. Okay, that's
Oh,
already.
man.
Med's coming lower left. Med's lower left with soldier.
I'm up. I'm gonna go right side. I'm in our house.
Alert. Our control point is being captured.
Both soldiers on it. We're on our shack.
They have a sniper. Top.
Soldiers behind. Soldiers
top
behind.
right.
Soldiers behind. Go forward. Soldiers behind.
Yeah, they're really letting
Soldier
point.
right side. Soldier on our right side.
Okay, soldier behind now.
I'm flanking their sniper.
Soldier in shack.
Oh,
Soldier in shack. Nice.
Good call, good call.
Sniper right side.
He's busy with me right now. He's dead.
Nice.
Alright, cool, cool,
Hold on.
cool. I'm up.
Medic's in you with soldier.
3.5.
Are they fighting you here?
Yeah, they're fighting me.
That. You have 6
Medic's
disad, yeah.
near window.
I'm gonna try to force you, Med. Stay in the shack.
Demo's lower.
Stay in this shack right here.
I almost completely fucking. Alright, I'm gonna stay on top of the shack.
I'm gonna try bombing for
Demo
you. so
took
get ready.
100.
Hey, where are they?
They're pushing.
You did?
Pushing left.
I used.
side.
I had to use.
Let's get in. Get in
Send,
their face.
send it.
Mission ends in 60
Scout
Scout's
behind.
behind.
He's dead. Hero. Thank you.
I'm gonna grab a pack.
Scouts
Oh,
up.
thanks.
Scouts destroyed. Scouts 20. 20. Scout.
We're at disad now.
Maybe not for long. if
Soldiers
our
left.
scouts can do
Their
it.
medics.
Soldiers 40.
Damn.
It's just
Yeah, I'm gonna-
leave medic
I'm leaving,
or
I'm
heavy is
leaving.
kind of a slow class. This is really bad.
Yeah, this is.
Dude, we lost our heavy.
I'm out. I'm out.
ends in
Really good
30
time.
We got a lot of time though.
We have lost
Oh,
control.
dude, nice shot.
Almost cap and win here. Close. Hold it for 30 seconds.
Yeah, thanks, Doc.
Scout took 100.
I'm gonna go left.
Sticky trap.
I'm gonna high
We have
bomb.
90.
I'm gonna high bomb in 3.
They're all
2,
distracting me
1.
in our shed. Please.
That
Do
was
it
on
now.
top. I used. I
Right used.
Way behind.
demo in our house. Just
Scouts on
I'm
our-
leaving. Died.
Okay, soldier's dead. All we gotta do is cap the window. Still, right now we're at a disadvantage.
I'm.
Are you bombing them?
We're at a disad here.
I'm gonna.
Trap house.
Soldier on our. I'm weak. I'm weak.
Med's hurt in their
Demo's
shack.
left. Cratered.
Med was hit 80 in their shack.
Oh, both the scouts just took a fat 100.
Our med, they're on our med. Help our med.
Our med's gonna die. We need to stop bleeding. That's our problem right now. Let's reset.
Yeah, you're right. Let's just group up. Got 1 minute, one time for one good push here.
on, man!
They have full advantage.
We can have a 4-man stack real quickly. They're in shack, our shack.
60 seconds.
Make sure our medic
Soldiers
has
to
enough room to get out. They used, leave.
Run,
I'm
run.
leaving. Hey, we have 65 ad.
Yeah, that's enough to deal with. That's enough to work with.
You have 75.
Okay, we're gonna push in left side, left side.
It looks clear, with the exception of one soldier.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
You have 90.
Okay, start walking at 95.
I have 95 now.
Go, 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 go. Soldier scout, go.
Okay. Using.
Nice flash.
Demo in our house. Combo in our house. They use.
They used.
Caps on the roof.
Both soldiers took 50. One soldier dead.
Demo's dead.
Nice.
Medics hit 40.
I died.
Nice, you know. It's just you, Hugh. You're gonna have to clutch this. What?
Let's move it up!
Back him up, back him up.
He's at 40. Nice.
They're gonna.
We have to check the control point.
Doc, come on, man!
They're just gonna dry this.
Okay, where are they coming from? I'll spam.
I don't know yet. I think they're coming from right.
They're grouping up right now.
They're coming through me.
Yeah, they're coming
They're
through me.
going.
Alright, soldiers
Soldier on
in
our
on
roof.
our shack.
I died.
Scout up. Nice.
Good job.
All right.
For a map we've never played, we're pretty good at it.
We should probably end it here.
All right.
Let's get him!
Oh, well, I don't
Alright.
think vlogs are gonna record now, but
Why?
because we didn't auto-exec. We didn't resec.
No, I did. At the same time.
Oh, you did? Oh. That didn't work.
Didn't work?
Alright, it's still on
Well,
Clearcut.
No, no, no. I meant the log.
Ah, gotcha.
Ask him if ask him to leave soon, and I'll set it up for process.
Damage. Our scouts were cleaning up off of quite a bit of a damage.
Did the
I
logs work?
am doing that well.
328 damage.
Dude, I should
Dude,
be
I
fleet
can't
scout.
believe Hugh literally took that 1v at 2 and 1.
Did the logs work?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Good job, people.
Yay, I got 328 damage for the first time in my entire life.
Yeah, you're popping off, man.
Pyro. Pyro.
Pyro.
Let's waste them!
Why pyro?
Pyrex. All right. Did you give him connect?
Yeah. They haven't responded yet.
Left and right, 88.
I didn't even see you.
Wait, really?
Like at first I didn't see you. I was like, hold on, where did that come from? And I was like, oh, hello.
80. Oh, fear.
Run away,
I'm in
sniper, run
danger.
away.
I'm bad at this class.
You know what? No, you're not taking me alive.
I'm pyroclast, I'm not very dangerous. Not unless you let me get up close. Oh god. Oh god.
Spooky scary, spooky scary. You know what? I'm bad.
Yeah, don't warn Moy about the imminent danger behind him.
What?
Please.
Something shot me. Vel, where are you? I'm scared.
Here.
Dude, I swear,
Fuck.
you always activates all of his aim, like, after Highlander's done.
These X guys are doing process twice, right?
Yep.
Garlic bread.
What? You just ducked under that.
I-
Oh my.
Tell them we changed our name to sourdough bread.
God. Horrible. Okay.
Oh, hello, sir. Oh, gee.
I've lost my jump for whatever. I swear I was grounded.
I am the spy.
Ah, 2 people.
You made a big mistake, Moy.
Why?
Because you're gonna die here very soon. You didn't expect that, did you?
Well, I kind of did. I'm used to that. Scouts come in different ways. Problem is, they